time for another episode.
Bird Bros back at it.
Yep, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna go camping. Backwoods portaging time. At Algonquin Park.
We're gonna follow this truck.
So that truck's full of contest winners for the Bird Bros latest raffle. We're gonna take them into the backwoods. Alright, let's get out of here. Into nature.
Beautiful weather, beautiful stuff, beautiful weather, here we come. Epic!
Gnarly. Oh yeah.
Well, looks like our first portage here.
And that's how you lift up a canoe there.
Yeah, we're pros. Cody's been on a couple raffles already.
Yeah, he's a lucky one.
Cody's won the trip a couple times already, so he knows what he's doing.
Yeah. Well, you hear that? Sounds like a woodpecker.
I wonder what type of woodpecker it is, John.
Oh, you see it up there in the tree? That's a yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Yar!
Haha, cool.
Oh, the yellow-bellied sapsucker is a medium-sized woodpecker.
Yeah. See the little holes there? That's for them to get in there. They made the holes there so they get in their beaks there so they can get the sap out of them trees. They yellow-bellied sapsucker.
Yellow-bellied sapsuckers love to suck sap.
Yeah, they do. They'll eat insects too. Sapsuckers.
Lots of bugs in the bush. They're just feeding on us. Portages are a killer. Gotta slow down and the bugs can catch up. Not a real thing.
There, the Canadian beaver. No. That's Canada's beaver right there.
North American beaver. They got two big buck teeth there at the front. Two big teeth at the front there.
Like cut down trees, cut down with their teeth.
Chop wood.
Oh, it looks like he's building a home.
Oh, look, there's a bald eagle there flying over.
Oh, bald eagle! Oh my gosh!
What do you think? It looks like to fly like an eagle. Let's take a look.
Oh, and we got some gulls here hanging out. This is a herring gull.
What's this one saying? He's saying, "Come back! It's just the Bird Bros. Don't be afraid." That's what he's saying right now. He's saying that to his other bird friend. That flew away.
Herring gulls are a large gull. Very common.
Large gulls take 4 years to reach their adult plumage. So for the first 3 years of their lives, they look different.
Education.
This Friday's Lotto 649 jackpot is $70 million. Get your ticket. I did.
Hopefully that's in silent after, right? As it should be.
Ah, I see the final portage. Well, that was the last big lake we had to do.
Fair amount of paddling. I think we wore out our contestants already, but there's still more to go.
Just 500 more meters. It'll be worth it. We'll be deep in the bush.
Alright, we're on the last portage. Thank God, because I'm friggin' beat. This one's half a kilometer. And I just can't wait to get to our site. Sit down, relax, and eyes to the skies for some more birds. Stay fly.
Well, we finally made it to the campsite. And it's got a freaking staircase. Way out here. Wicked. Quick campsite tour. All aboard. Oh, those some big tracks there. Looks like we got a moose on our hands. Remember that moose we saw from the other Algonquin time?
Cool, roll that clip.
Moose. Looks like there's a storm of brewing.
Oh yeah, she doesn't look good. So much for that beautiful weather.
Quick, guys, we better put our stuff away. Is that a bird way out there? What's that speck? Where's Cody? Cody!
Oh, but Cody's still out on the lake. Cody!
You better paddle, bud!
Come on, man, come on! Storm's coming!
Oh, shit! Just in time!
Wow.
Holy
My
fuck!
pants are covered
This
in
is
cold
insane.
hail. What the fuck?
Holy.
Let's find somewhere for this.
Where's my phone? Oh, thank God.
It's hail and golf balls out here!
What the fuck is going on?
Jesus fucking Christ!
Holy shit!
Chunks of ice! This is the end of June! Don't worry, it's slowing down. And here it comes again. My tent's open. It's windy! Lightning! Almost done. Let's get the fuck out. How are you guys filming this shit? Yeah, you guys should be watching your heads and stuff, making sure fucking trees aren't falling down. I grab the water, the beavers, because they'd be gone. Sorry, all melted.
Like, we could take this hail and put our fish on it.
We have ice. You know our guys all have that.
Well, those are big chunks there.
Maybe not golf ball size, but...
And it's melted a bit.
No, that's what we're saying, yeah, with no green sky or anything. No, I didn't see that, you didn't hear anything, but like, and it just was like a whipping past the storm, right? There was nothing to it. Direct.
Well, that was crazy. But the birds are still around, taking cover in the trees. And the bird bros are gonna go and look at them. I'm right here.
What English, I love it.
Hey, what's that bird? Blue-headed Vireo! Oh, isn't it cute?
Oh yeah, that white ring around its eye there, and then the bluish head.
It's actually not like a complete ring. It's actually like a question mark.
Oh, it looks like there's a kingfisher there in a tree, just as the sun starts to go down.
Looking for a little snack before bedtime, which would be a ton of fish. Kingfishers like fish.
Alright, got the campfire still going, survived that hailstorm.
Yeah. And that's the end of this episode.
Yeah, that's the end of it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Stay fly.
Yeah, have a good one. Peace out.
Love ya.